Hi, I'm Mick Sadler, and today we're looking at my favourite macro modifier. You may have extension tubes or you may have a macro lens, but either way this will be something you'll want to get. Sometimes if you're taking macro work without flash, you may need to bump the ISO up a bit just to get a result. So other than that, you use flash, and I've got a flash here, which is a speed light on top of the camera. I've also got this, which costs very little, and what this is just a simple modifier that fits over your lens. So it just fits over the front of your lens like that, and the flash shoots through it to your subject. So this can help you reduce your ISO and get the shot. Now this modifier costs very little, $5, $3, depends where you get it, but $3 to $5, £3 to £5, and it's magic. All you need is a speed light and a macro lens or extension tube with your lens. Here's some shots that we taken with the flash, and I hope you like them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you want to know when we upload a video, click the bell icon. And if you've got any queries, what's your favourite saw a hoverfly then? What's your favourite modifier? Let us know in the comments down below if you've got a favourite or what way you take your macro shots. So bye for now.